in the fields of golden grain, echoes of a proud refrain. Through the trials, through the pain, stands the heart of Ukraine. Heart of Ukraine, strong and free, in your spirit unity. Through the storm